From the company Sparklove, neon sign. This is a gamer sign. A game controller comes with a nice card to tell you about your product and all. You're given hardware, screws and anchors, and chain with a hook to hang up. It's made of acrylic backboard, plastic, and protected in shipment with enough cord to plug into your own personal brick. It has an on and off, a brightness, and a darkness level. We're going to go unpack this, hang this up, and show you what it looks like. Take your time to unwrap, remove all the film, and you have your neon sign. Clean up all the little smudges if like, and you have your colors of turquoise, hot pink, yellow, green, and so on. We have these open hooks. They slide on and over each of the ends with a chain if you want to adjust it. Place into the hole, close down, repeat for the opposite side. Lock into place. Find a location and hang up and adjust. And you're ready to go with your sign. We're going to be plugging into a power station that's going to show you the voltage of 5.1 at 1.5 amps in the on position. We're going to lower down the lighting on the top. It is a stepless control, and increase the lighting 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 levels of lighting. And then we have the off and the on. We're showing the light lit up with the camera adjusted so you get an idea of what the game sign looks like. With just the game sign, game controller on for a boys, girls room, game room, your man cave, a living room, anywhere where you want to put up a sign. With the colorful sign nicely lit up, showing you game on. That is what the sign looks like. So if you're looking for your game room, a sign with the colorful neon background made of plastic acrylic with LED lighting, with the control of making it bright or dim, an off and an on button. I hope you enjoy your light if this is what you are looking for in a neon sign. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.